Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix LG TV not programmed issue. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, there are a few things that you could do here to probably basically solve this issue. So first is you want to make sure that all cables connecting to your TV to the signal source are plugged in tightly and aren't damaged. So common connections are HDMI or antenna cable. So double check that. So check that the HDMI cable is securely plugged in. Now, if you're using external device like a set-top box or gaming console, you might want to check the other end as well. So in this case, check your HDMI port here. So make sure it's all the way plugged in there and it's not loose. Now also, if you have an antenna cable, so you want to make sure that it's properly connected. So if you're using over the air channels. So again, you want to make sure that your antenna cable here in is actually plugged in, or vice versa. You might want to check your antenna as well, so if it's properly plugged in. Now, if none of those actually work, another thing that you could do here is to make sure that you've selected the correct channel here. So in this case, you want to take your LG TV remote here. You want to press the input button usually at the top right here. And you want to go ahead and choose all inputs from the available menu that you see that pop up on your TV, and you could choose either HDMI for an HDMI input source, and if you have an antenna, you might want to choose TV or antenna as the input source here. But yeah, so in this case, those are the things that you do to probably solve this issue, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.